Hi, this is Jason Bankus, NASM certified personal trainer and board certified holistic health coach. This is the time of the year that people are really getting involved in the running. They've been running for a while and they're starting to see those shin splints. So this is the time of the year I get multiple questions about shin splints. So what can you do? Well, some things that you want to make sure that you're doing to avoid getting shin splints to begin with is to, if you're running on a treadmill, you actually want to make sure that you're running at an incline of at least 1. Because when you're running at a 0, you're actually running on a decline. Now, if you're running on the street, shin splints are often an overuse injury, so you may want to back off of your running a little bit. Depending on how bad your shin splints are, you can still run through them, but you want to back off. It is considered an overuse injury. And what that is, it's a tightness in the anterior tibialis in the front of your leg. That's where those shin splints come from. So, if you can back off of your running for a little bit, you want to make sure you've got the right running shoes. If you go to, Payless or somewhere and buy some cheapo running shoes, you're probably going to get injured more often. Where you're really going to save a lot is making sure you have the right shoes. Never cheap out on shoes. Go to a place. I've got a place that's local to me. You go in, they assess your gait, they look at the wear pattern on your shoes, and they give you shoes that are going to help support your ankles better. When your ankles are better supported, you're going to have less shin splints. Because any of that ankle dysfunction puts extra stress on that tibialis muscle. So now if you've already got shin splints and you're trying to get rid of them, I want to show you a few things that are going to help you to get rid of those shin splints. So the first thing is a very simple towel stretch. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a towel, you wrap it around the front of your foot, and you're going to pull on that. You're going to pull on it. This is actually going to help stretch out the calf muscles. When the calf muscle gets stressed out, the tibialis muscle in the front of the leg actually has to compensate for it. So by stretching out that calf muscle with this towel stretch, it's going to help relieve that bad relationship there. So you can hold this for about 20 seconds, and you can do up to about 5 reps of this. I'm just going to do it once for now, but you can do 5 reps on your own. The other thing that you can do is a great little exercise for your tibialis, to strengthen your tibialis, and it's basically a toe pull. Now what I'm going to use is this round band. Normally the cuffs go around your legs. You get a nice sturdy post here to support it on. There's a old school 550-pound television on top of this wooden thing here. Now if you're at the gym, you can, if you find the right attachment, you can just get an attachment and set it up on a cable machine. So if you're doing it at home, you can get one of these bands anywhere, Sports Authority. They're about $15, but they're great. You can use them for a lot of things. So what you're going to do is you're going to pull back, set some tension on it, and you want this band at the top of your toes. And you're going to basically do toe pulling back, keeping this knee on the ground, and just pull it. So if you're, like in the beginning, I was coming up. If you're coming up like this, it does nothing. So sometimes you have to stabilize that knee and pull back. So you can do about 12 to 15 reps, even up to 20 reps of this, 3 times, a couple times a week. It's going to help strengthen that tibialis muscle. Now, the big one is heel walks. This one might make you look a little silly, but it's really going to help you out a lot. If you've got shin splints, if you want relief from them, come up onto your heels, and you're just going to walk around. Back, forwards, walk backwards, back in that camera angle or camera view. And you're just going to walk back and forth on them for a little bit. This too will also help release that tension for those shin splints. So again, you've got the 3 exercises. Make sure you've got the right shoes. If you're running on a treadmill, make sure you've got the right incline. And try these exercises, help you with your shin splints. Until next time, may your life be full of peace, balance, and harmony. Namaste.